cool my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I look up all your hand in the hand. So now me could love forever. I'm a cock, you know, baby like that. I'm a handle.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate your support. Now in today's video I'm gonna be vlogging for you guys. My friends and I, we are going to this beautiful lake. I'm so excited. Like, come on, it's summer. finally we can wear what we want. But yeah, the next clips that you're gonna be seeing after this intro is me waking up, you know, preparing some fruits that we're taking with us. And yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna take you guys with me or with us if they're gonna be on the video, I don't know. And yeah, and also guys, excuse my bathroom, I know it's a bit loud, but I really can't change it. Anyways, let's go. Outside. Kim, should I put you on the camera?
Yeah. Hello.
We are outside and we are so late, so we are really rushing to get the train. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young.
Anyways guys, we're in the train. Okay.
Did you are you recording?
Yeah.
Hi guys.
We're in the train. Should I show you the people that I'm going with?
Oh wait, let me okay.
Shooting stuff. Let me show you the people that I'm going with.
Should I wear glasses here?
She wants to wear glasses. She wants
guys,
to
so that you won't recognize me.
You wear your glasses if you like. It's just the lighting is good here.
Yes, because it's from outside.
I look Nigerian, that's the guy saying. Yeah, I don't know if I should be offended or what. It's literally not the hair. Every time the black.
It was like the shape of your head.
I don't know.
Nigerian girls have round heads.
That girl, I was in the bus and she was like, come to us, Nigeria. I was like, and I said no, and she said you look like you're not from Nigeria. I was
It's offensive.
I didn't know how to be offended.
Like on Instagram, you actually see like influencers from Nigeria. They are not, yeah, but here in Germany, they just I don't know. Nobody even compliment.
I don't know.
Mine.
Guys, we'll talk to you when we arrive at Tegernsee. You know, taking some content, taking some really cute pictures. You've got to follow us on Instagram to see the pretty pictures. Which one? Who's looking at me?
Who's that phone?
Behind me or what? Guys, so we have arrived. And yeah, we are walking now to the beach. There is our train.
The point that we have to wear jackets.
So are the daddies. Yasha is busy laughing.
I'm feeling cold.
I don't know why she's laughing.
It's not even cold. It's not even that cold, guys.
It's not that bad.
Yeah,
but just because there's a lake, the weather is also not really nice because it's a little bit cloudy. So anyways, I was saying we want to pass by river to like get some plates maybe where we can put our fruits and some stuff that we bought. But I don't know if there is river. That's the thing. If there is any supermarket, I don't know. Anyways, let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach, let's go away.
I'm in the floor. I like to dance, so give me more. Oh my god, this is really a village, right? And people are not used to loud people. We have to be quiet.
But we bring ghetto everywhere, guys.
You can't take Africans. You can take Africans everywhere, but what can't you do?
You can't take that African spirit from us.
Yes. I'm not seeing any supermarket, so I don't know.
Guys, we can manage without plates, right?
So we have to walk this way to the beach. This is the way.
I mean, we can manage without plates.
I hope so. We anyways won't be staying too long since it's cold. Guys, there are cows. Let me show you, we are really in rurals, okay?
My cows are eating.
The cows came home.
We are feeding our cows.
The cows came home. The cows came home.
This is really cute, guys.
See?
Yeah? Where's my phone, guys?
There are cows.
Me busy feeding the cows.
The cows came home. What is this one doing? Is it drinking?
Yeah, it's drinking.
It's showing some nyash. Oh, guys! This one wants some sexy time. The cow wants some sexy time.
Outfit. It's cute. It's giving the it's giving the vibes. Right, yes.
The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young.
Now we have arrived, guys, at the beach. Let me show you the view. The view is actually very pretty. Wow. I'm really excited. It looks really nice. And the sun is also kissing my face, you know. Let me show you the view. Oops. Yeah, the weather is not really at its best. I don't think it's even possible to go in and swim because yeah, it's not that warm. It is warm, but not that warm where you can go to swim. But yeah, I'm so excited, so happy that we're finally here. Yeah, I also forgot my tripod. I wanted to do some TikToks. Let's look for a place. Yeah, it's not really cute because it's a dog's area. It's for people with dogs.
Yeah.
And yeah, and I'm not in the mood to sit on the dog's shit. So maybe at the front there.
In the middle.
In the middle, that's why maybe, I don't know. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. Do not mind Nyasha and Kimberly. They were making noise. I really need to discipline them a little bit, you know. We found a place to sit, but There we're sitting, but I'm going there to check if the view from the other side is nicer, cause you know we're trying to get the nice view. But it's really beautiful. I like the scene. I really like it so much. And it's also weird to be vlogging because everyone is looking. Let me wear my glasses. Just trying to be cute. Let me go and check the other side. I think where we found the spot is actually really nice. Nicer more than here. No, here it's not nice. Let me show you how it looks. See, there's nothing. It's just there's really nothing, and you also can't see the view properly. Unlike where we are sitting, where you can actually see the view better, you know. This is our mat and our snacks, so we're about to unpack. Someone brought some cute Crocs. Anyways guys, let's unpack the stuff. Wait, I need a cream. I have only dropper, yo.
I'm saying don't drop in your way. Like,
How did I get that?
no, like, isn't we are? Ah, okay, we'll chill up in Zimbabwe.
We are still just chilling at the beach. We're doing nothing literally, and yeah, I don't know what to tell you. What should I tell them? Please.
Creating content, guys.
Just creating content.
Yeah.
We took pictures. The pictures are so nice. Let me show you. Look at this picture, and it's just my phone. Look at this. The pictures are really nice. I can't wait to post. It's so nice, it's so beautiful, it's so peaceful. I like it. Let me record a short video. And let me do this. I'm struggling. I can't record properly. Hello? Hello? Ni right to skip on. Leaka is wagal. Camera is going to be off. It's blinking. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm going to continue the vlog or close the vlog with my phone. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. I don't have any extra battery for the camera, so yeah. If you see the quality, like if the quality is different, just know I finished the video with my phone. I look scrumptious. My new glasses that I bought. And you can tell me if they look good on me or not. How do they look? They look ugly.
They are not that bird.
Anyways, this is my bag that I brought. There was some makeup inside, you know. If you come to the beach with the makeup, you need to titivate it a little bit. But we'll leave soon. See that man who's swimming there?
Tell them
the
what
water is
was.
cold. Huh?
Tell them what are we waiting for?
We are waiting for the sunset. Like for the sun to set so that I show you guys how beautiful it is. It's so cute here, but let's wait until the sun sets. My mwana.
Then there's Shayo.
There's a shower.
Ashao. It's the meaning of Ashao.
It's a beach. Right?
Ah,
But
okay.
yeah, that's what, we're just chilling. We're just finishing our snacks. Can you show us our snacks? How ugly they look.
And now look scruffy in
you
the
saw,
beginning
like,
things.
In the beginning, he was really cute.
Yeah.
Now we're just trying to finish everything.
And the clothes
because,
everywhere. It's so.
It's really scruffy.
We are so exhausted now.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, guys. Abavela kobulawa eling. I'm joking.
If you're from Blawayo, hit this girl up, okay?
No, guys, I'm joking. I hope you crop this.
No, I'm not cropping anything.
Mama.
To see and hear your voice.
Mama.
I really need to finish this juice. This is
So,
what,
do you vlog in English only?
yeah, I usually vlog in English. I don't usually speak in Ndebele because then...
Because you're an international artist.
Yes, you know what
Whoa,
I'm saying?
what's this
No,
again?
because some people don't won't understand. And if I do speak in Ndebele sometimes, then I will have to put like
My
subtitles
subtitles.
of the meaning. I'm not cutting anything.
And then let me show you what. I don't know.
There's nothing to show.
I guess you're
We just-
tired of seeing Portia.
We're just playing the music, but obviously I'll have to mute all of those videos since it's gonna be copyrighted. I'm just trying to get all the coins. You know what I'm saying?
So that she can buy us ice cream.
Yeah. And
Definitely.
I'll talk to you guys later when we are leaving. Oh, there are so many flies.
Someone says she wants to see Kimberly.
Yeah, you can
We are
show
only.
them.
Kimberly, guys. Should I say something?
No, you don't have to.
Yeah, we are waiting for the sunset. Otherwise, love you all.
Yeah, I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. I'm right here, right next. Follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, hey. Mind your words when you talking about my baby.
Anyways, you guys, I'm going to close the video for today. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. We are growing the family, okay? I have nothing to show you guys. Literally, I showed you everything. There is really nothing anymore. We're just chilling. So yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
Follow me, I go show you